Now we're seeing a huge amount of AI happen across all the social media platforms, and the latest is TikTok. So TikTok has launched the AI Alive tool in the last couple of weeks. This is a feature that turns static images into dynamic short form videos within TikTok stories. So interesting that this is only available in stories at the moment. And you can get to this through the story camera. You can see that there's a little label on the AI Alive tool, which says new. So you can see lots of focus on that. And you can use AI to animate elements like facial expressions or waves, adding movement and atmospheric effects. Each AI generated video will include an AI label, which is really important. That's something we're also seeing happen across the social platforms. When something has AI added to it, there is a made with AI label, which appears, and embedded metadata for transparency, even when the content is shared outside of TikTok. So I think that probably is likely to become law in the future, that anything made with AI needs to be stated, but it's certainly not at the moment. And it is a little unregulated, which is a big worry when it comes to social media transparency. But this little tool on TikTok Stories is aimed at allowing creators to make dynamic content a lot faster. So it allows you to turn static images into short form videos. And I think, again, that's telling of the strategy which you should have on TikTok, which is rather than static images, always seeing if you can animate a video or add some sort of movement to it so that it engages audiences a lot quicker.